In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Process Builder in Salesforce. 5 minutes. We'll start right inside Salesforce. Go ahead and log into your org so you're on the home page. Look toward the top right for the gear icon and open Settings. From there, choose the option to open the Advanced Setup area. This takes you into the full administrative console where all automation tools live. In the Setup sidebar, use the Quick Find search and type Process Builder. Open the Process Builder page. You'll notice Salesforce now encourages using Flow, which is the modern, more powerful successor to Process Builder. That's exactly what we'll use, so click the prompt to try Flow Builder. Once you're in the Flow area, click New Flow. Salesforce will open the Builder canvas so you can design the automation visually. Think of this as your workspace where you tell Salesforce when to run and what to do. Begin by defining the core properties. Give your flow a clear name and description that explains the business purpose, like what object it affects and what it automates. Clear naming makes maintenance much easier later, especially when you or teammates review your automations. Next, specify the object and the start criteria. Choose the object the automation should watch, such as leads, opportunities, or cases, and decide when it should fire. For example, on create, on update, or both. If available, choose whether it should run before or after the record is saved, depending on whether you're updating the same record or performing actions that require the saved record. Now add your criteria. This is where you define the conditions that must be true for the automation to proceed. For instance, you might run only when a stage is set to a certain value or a checkbox is selected. Keep conditions as specific as necessary to avoid triggering the flow when it's not needed. With criteria in place, add your actions. Common actions include updating fields, creating related records, sending email alerts, or posting to collaboration feeds. Configure each action carefully, map the fields you need, and make sure any references to record values are correct. Use descriptive labels for each action so you can recognize them at a glance. When everything looks good, save your work. Provide a helpful version description so you know what changed. Finally, activate the flow. Activation turns it on for your users, and your automation is now live. If you ever need to pause or revise it, just deactivate, make your edits, and reactivate. That's it. You've created a process in Salesforce using Flow.